Hi, good morning, Gurpreet this side. So today we will learn how to do the split. If you are not so flexible, so you don't need to stop looking at the video, you just keep looking at that. That's the spirit. And try to do the basic things as well with me. And let's start. Don't forget to do your warm up before. I will try to teach you a little bit with me. But if you feel like you need more, go ahead. So let's start with the down dog. You can go back into the down dog. You can just simply bend the knees and just move little bit. Now step the right leg forward between the hands. The bigger step you need to take it. You can drop your knee back and you can curl the toe and you can shift your body back and try to maintain there. So if you are not so flexible, sometimes people cannot bring the forearms down and they just look around what to do next. You can always make a use of your blocks or something which can help you do balancing. I don't know what you will make a use of that, but you need a little bit height if you're not having a good open hamstrings. So you can try to maintain here at least 30 seconds every time. We need to try to hold everything 30 seconds. Maintain there. Again you can go back into the lunge position and try to feel the stretch at your back leg as well. Now let's again open the hamstrings of the back leg. You can shift your back leg and you can maintain there. After holding here, you can again bend the frontal knee, come to the lunge position and then go back. And we need to keep repeating this 10 rounds. Let me show you few of them. And the last one I'll show you, yeah. Take the step back into the down dog. You can again give a shake for the gentle movement. And then step the left leg forward between the hands and let's do the same thing. Drop your back knee, curl the back toe and let's get the hamstring stretch. And then see, my left leg is not so good comparison to the right one. So see, I'm getting a difficulty to bring my forearms. So some people will feel these kind of experiences on the one side and the other side. Everybody is like that. Now after holding it, you can again back into the lunge position and then straightening your frontal leg to getting a back hamstrings stretch. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, and let's step back into the down dog. And now here step the right leg forward again. You can drop your back knee and tuck the toe. Now here we need to take the back leg back maximum. Let's try to do what we can. Step back, move little more, and according to that you can move your body also. Now here I'll move my mic. You need to straighten your frontal leg. Now this is the final position which I wanted to teach, but suppose if you are not here, you can simply maintain here, do some pumping and keep holding, keep maintaining. And the same way we will come back like this and then step back into the down dog. Give a shake and then step forward little bit. You can give a shake here also and then come up. One basic stretch which I forgot to teach you in the beginning. You can step your right leg back, you can bend the knee and you can straighten your frontal leg. These are the basic things which will help you to open up your hamstrings. Holding is very important. And on the other side. And we are done. So something which I missed, I tried to make a few more videos, but hopefully this is the basic things which I have learned actually. So same thing which I try to teach you. But it's something if you want from me, please write down in the comment section. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.